Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a little different of a video, and it's going to be a raw and real energy healing and activation intuitive session. So, this is an actual healing session for you, and I know that we are going to have a journey together today. So, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And so, right now, let's just set some sacred space. And if you want to just now center yourself, you can close your eyes if you'd like and just begin to breathe gently in and out, just telling your body that you're going to be going into a deeper state for the time being, and that you are going into the state for the purpose of healing yourself or improving your life experience in some way. That's right. And now you can just begin to breathe a little more deeply. Breathe deeply in and out. Good. Repeat that deep breathing a couple more times. Good. And I would like to just call in for this healing. I'm calling on my spirit guides, your spirit guides, any light beings, angels, source, ancestors, any high level beings in those realms who feel aligned to be a part of this healing here today. They can be here now. Good, you're doing great. Just take this time to really let yourself receive some healing, receive some activations of some high frequency energy. If you've been feeling a little bit just out of your element, this is going to bring you right back in. It's going to calibrate you. And this is all stuff that you can do anytime you need or want to do. So, right now, I'm going to begin the energetic healing transmission. And I'm just intuitively a channel of this energy. Okay, so I am just a channel to that healing energy flows through me into your energy field if that's okay with you, that you want to receive that, then you will receive that. And if not, then you don't have to. And maybe another time, maybe not. But if you're feeling called to receive this energy, there's nothing you need to do personally to receive that energy. I'm just going to be sending that to you. So let's get started here and sending you some energy. And if it feels comforting to you, you can link the visual with the mind of pure white light flowing over your body. Just feel the love of your guides, your angels, your ancestors. Feel that unconditional love washing over every cell of your body. These beautiful rays of white light moving through each and every cell of your body, healing you, relaxing you. Just feeling any tension, any negative energies that maybe you picked up from someone else's energy field. And by the way, this healing is programmed and with intention to be timeless. So whenever this video finds you, trust that's the perfect time to receive this. Even if you're called to receive this again every day or periodically, just notice how that feels now, how your frequency has shifted, how you feel so much more relaxed right now than just a few moments ago. And feel how that energy is flowing through your body. Where does it want to especially go? What's being released? You're safe right now in this moment. You're loved. There's nothing anyone else needs right now from you, so you can just relax and receive. Trust the energy to guide you. So, how are you feeling right now after a little bit of energetic transmission? Your intuition is safe, your gifts are awakening, you are remembering who you are at a very deep level, and just have so much love for yourself now and all of these past versions of yourself. Really feel in your body what does a yes feel like? Think of something you know to be absolutely true. What is that feeling like in your body? It feels maybe a lot more open and expansive. Think about what a no feels like in your body. Like that's your guidance system. So, really go back and forth with that, play around with that, but that's your intuitive senses. And so if you feel this openness and expansiveness when information is coming into your energy field, when you're on a certain frequency, then that is going to allow you to really know if something is your intuition or if it is just noise from the conscious mind. Yeah, yesterday I was working with a wonderful client, and in his session, we were doing a really deep hypnotherapy journey, and he really got familiarized with what yes feels like in his body, what no feels like in his body, and like really proved to himself how amazing of a person he actually was after carrying guilt around for so many years, like beating himself up, questioning himself. And so I definitely sense a lot of that in the collective consciousness right now. And if you're feeling that, really just lean back from that energy and just feel it. It's just energy, it's just consciousness. You're safe in this moment, you're in a safe space to process this energy. You are supported, you are loved. So I hope this was helpful for you today. Go ahead and take a couple big, deep belly breaths in and out. Just notice your body now. You can open your eyes if they were closed in your own time, in your own way, no rush. And it helps to ground if you put your feet flat on the ground, or even better, on bare earth. And you can just put your hand on your heart. You're coming back into your body. And just give lots of gratitude, love, and appreciation to yourself for taking this time to create space, to connect with your intuition, to receive healing energy. You're moving forward. You can return to this energy anytime you need or want to. Come back, watch it again, watch it as you're falling asleep at night. Watch it when you wake up in the morning to calibrate yourself to that pure positive energy vibration. And let me know in the comments what came up for you during this. Do you like when I do sessions like this on YouTube? Let me know. And if you want to do private one-on-one work with me, my sessions are 1 to 2 hours, um, really in depth and really tailored to whatever is going on in your life experience, anything you're creating. I'd love to talk to you if you're needing extra support right now. That's why I'm here. So don't forget to subscribe if you would like, and comment down below, like the video. That helps us a lot. And share this video out to someone who has been having a rough time or really needs just to soak in that love. Okay, so like make this channel blow up. It's not about me. This is about love and spreading positive energy and creating solutions in weird times to be alive. So talk soon.